we have the following engineering problem here. We have a horn, and this horn is energized through a relay and push button switch from a voltage source, DC voltage source 24 volt. And we, after pressing this button, 24 volt voltage appears across the capacitor, the switch is on and horn is on. When push button is released, then capacitor is discharged through this resistance, and we want this horn to be on for 1.5 seconds when this threshold voltage is reached. So actually our task is to size capacitance of this capacitor such that during the discharge phase this voltage is reached after 1.5 seconds. This obviously can be done by manual calculations. It is 2.3 millifarad. We may also find this value of this capacitance using PSpice simulation. This is a version of non-schematic, and I'm gonna express in details how to deal with PSpice using a schematics version. So at first we have to create a circuit diagram. We have to set value of this capacitance. We have to set this value on C var in brackets. Also we have to set an initial condition. Initial condition is 24 volt. The question whether plus or minus, we have to examine a netlist. Now we have to create a netlist and examine a netlist, and we may see that this node is 0, this is 1, but actually our voltage is the arrowhead is at 0, which means that the voltage that we have is minus 24 volt. Okay, this is a setup for analysis, for transient analysis, and for parametric analysis, values of capacitance. When all these are set, we may have to save these data, and we may start simulation. When simulation is completed, we have a probe window. First of all, we have to select all values of the capacitance. Then we have to perform the so-called performance analysis to replace time by variable capacitance, and then we have a plot of voltage across the capacitor at this time instant, and searching for the level of 6.5, which is a threshold of our relay, we will find a value of the capacitance. Obviously it has to be the same value as calculated manually before. And now let me show you how to deal with schematics live once again. The circuit diagram stored, so we have a netlist. Examine netlist. Obviously everything is stored in the computer memory, so this is netlist. As you can see, this initial condition has to be taken with a sign of minus, and I repeat it here, minus 24. Okay, analysis setup, transient analysis, and parametric analysis, C var, and values start and end value of our capacitance. Obviously these values, setting these values, it is a matter of experience, and I'm not going to discuss. Okay, everything has been stored in computer memory already. We may start simulation. After some time we will obtain we will finish the simulation. Okay, all capacitances. Now we have a blank window with time on horizontal axis. We have to click on performance analysis to replace time by variable capacitance, and we have to add trace, add trace. Our trace is value of voltage at 1.5 seconds. So we select this goal function. Our y is voltage, this is the voltage, and our x is 1.5. That way we have a function of voltage, a capacitor voltage at time instant 1.5 second, and Now tracing this for the level of 6.5. Yes, okay, we have a value that we are looking for, a capacitance such that level of 6.5 volt is reached after 1.5 seconds. Okay, that way we have completed simulation for this exemplary circuit.